We have more than 30 sites using PAS-X, and that is a lot.
People are really getting used to it as something that they use in the production as their, I would say, best friend.
Being part of the Körber group now, there's advantages in terms of the supply chain as well, warehouse management, EWM. Very happy with the collaboration we have today.
With the integration opportunities that you have in the cloud, I think having PAS-X in the cloud will help with that, because the industry is moving quite fast and you need to be able to react to that type of change.
I'm absolutely convinced that with PAS-X MES we can fulfill all tasks we are facing. The work together with the Körber project team is excellent. Without them, we would not have been so far as we have reached out right now.
I'm using PAS-X since 2019, so we have dramatically reduced release time in our manufacturing facilities.
Well, I think that as a set of tools, it's very comprehensive to the needs of the pharmaceutical industry.
We have PAS-X in many different sites in Barcelona. We have improved the process with PAS-X. We're in a very close relationship. We are working together with the team here to develop the new track and trace system.
The introduction of the MES in our company was a big step towards efficiency and productivity. The employees have been very positive about the system.
In companies like Sartorius, we already have established ecosystem of shop floor applications, and for me, PAS-X could be an enabler for our processes in the shop floor to have an extra block of information and digitalization.
And they really want to hear what are the customer voices. And I think that is very important. And also a good attitude that they say, okay, at least once a year, tell us what is really pressing you, what is important for you, and haven't seen that at any other company. So
when I'm with Körber people, it feels like it's a family, really.